Hello friends, it's me Payal again. So I'm just sitting by this river. It's River Sindh in Sonmarg. And as I just sit here enjoying the flow and singing songs sitting by the riverside, something that we don't get to see and be in the city life. Just being here in nature, it is so relaxing and it teaches us so much. Like, for example, just sitting by this river and observing its flow, the way it's flowing non stop without a break, just flowing and flowing and flowing. And this water, the way it is flowing, this water that is there in this second has already passed, and another one is coming, and this has passed, and another one is coming, and that has passed. Every flow is just moving with so much speed that the same water which was there a microsecond back, it's not the same water here again. It just keeps moving and moving and moving and moving. Isn't life the same? Life also keeps flowing, just like this water. But we tend to hold on to past energies, to past emotions, to past thoughts, because of which we start stagnating. Just imagine if this water in a pond, it is stagnating and it starts smelling. Now we are made of the same element water. 70%, as we all know, is water, and 30% is earth and the space and everything else. If we are holding on to the past emotions or the thoughts or the energies, won't we stagnate? What will come out of us? Negativity? What will come? What is the energy that will emit from us? Will others be comfortable in our energy? We feel that, why things are not moving. But what is it within us that we are holding, that we are not allowing it to flow? The past is the past. It's bygone. Just like this moment. It's gone. Just let the new moment come. And what can you create in this moment? What new can you choose this moment? We usually think that I couldn't do this in the past, so I cannot do it now. So it's just that stagnated energy which I remember of the past, that I couldn't do it and I can't do it. No, but it's not that. This moment is new. If I'm using that energy to create something in this moment, obviously I will not be able to move. I will be having the same energies now, the same patterns now, the same life now, and I'm looking to change something outside. But where do I need to change it? I need to allow that to flow from within me. The bygones are bygones. What can I create this moment? What can I choose this moment? What new energies can I pick up this moment? Just like this river. It's gone. This is new. This is gone. This is new. Life is showing, this river is teaching me that I can choose something different every moment. If there's something that I don't like of my past, I don't need to live with that. I don't need to hold on to that. I don't need to create those same patterns again and again in my life. I can choose every moment. So I have chosen, sitting by this riverside, that I am choosing to flow with life. Whatever life is offering me, I'm choosing to flow with life and of seeing that what new opportunities and what new possibilities life is offering me. So this is a choice that each one of us has to make for themselves. I have chosen it for myself, and I wish that you choose the same for you too. Just be like the river. And not a pond.